In this video I will walk you through on how to make t-shirts without machines. And you will be surprised how easy it is now on 2026. But before we start, make sure you give this video a hype if you find it informative and worth it. We would appreciate it. Now for this project I will use ChatGPT to make my design. So that way, you get an idea of how easy it is to start a t-shirt business without machines and expensive softwares. So I will tell AI, make me a logo for a lawn care company named Martinez Lawn Care LC, with an avatar of a guy from the image I uploaded. Now, I will use an example of a guy who we will use so that way you can see how great AI works when making professional logos. But I must tell you, I'm a paid member on ChatGPT, so I get unlimited images. So if you are going to get into this business, you should consider investing too, so that way you don't even have to learn how to design logos manually with the software. Now we will click send and see what AI creates for us. And now AI is generating our professional logo. It should only take a couple of minutes. But in the meantime, remember, if you are liking this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And now, we carefully analyze our logo for any incorrect spelling. But usually it's pretty good. But this avatar looks too real, so I will tell AI to make it look more like a cartoon, which is the point of an avatar of a person. So I will tell ChatGPT make the avatar look more cartoonish. And here it is, just like I wanted it. Now we have a professional logo fully customized for our customer without spending hours designing. And now the next step is to make it into a t-shirt. But first we must download this image. You can ask AI to make the image 300 dpi, which is a high quality for DTF process. But since we want to make t-shirts without printers or vinyl cutters, we will order our DTF transfers online. I recommend you do research on the best price and quality. But this company is pretty good and their quality is great. There are many websites where you can get your DTF transfers online, but make sure you also look for good ratings. Now, if you want to start with small investment, we have a beginner's software that can help you edit your logos. If you want to support this channel, I will leave the link below. With this software you can download high-quality PNG, PDF and JPG files. After you order your DTF transfers, all you will have to do is heat press them on the t-shirt. Make sure you follow the instructions given from temperature, time, and peel for better results. And after that, your customer can enjoy a fully customized t-shirt of his logo, and you didn't even use a printer or vinyl cutter, but just a heat press. So this is it for this video. Make sure you give us a hype if you liked it. We will see you pretty soon.